I want to talk about something exciting: the latest updates to FHA, VA, and USDA loan options for 2025. These government-backed loans have always been great tools for homebuyers, and this year, they've gotten even better. Hi there. By the time we're done, you'll know all about the new benefits and how they could help you or someone you know achieve homeownership. First, let's take a step back and cover the basics. FHA, VA, and USDA loans are designed to make buying a home more accessible for people who might face challenges with traditional loans. For example, FHA loans are super popular with first-time homebuyers. They're great if you don't have a large down payment saved up or if your credit score isn't perfect. VA loans, on the other hand, are for active-duty military, veterans, and their families. They don't require a down payment or private mortgage insurance, which is a big deal. And then there are USDA loans, which are designed for rural homebuyers. They also offer zero down payment and low interest rates, but they're tied to certain geographic areas. Now that we're all caught up, let's jump into what's new in 2025 for each of these programs. Let's start with FHA loans. One of the most exciting updates is that the loan limits have gone up. This means that if you're looking to buy in an area where home prices are higher, you can borrow more without having to get a jumbo loan. That's a huge win for people in competitive markets. Another big change is that FHA has reduced mortgage insurance premiums again. These are the extra fees you pay each month if you don't have a big down payment. Lower premiums mean lower monthly payments, which leaves more money in your budget for other things. Finally, FHA is now more flexible when it comes to your credit history. They're starting to consider things like rent and utility payments as part of your credit record. So, if you've been consistent with those but don't have a lot of traditional credit, you might still qualify. Now, let's move on to VA loans. If you're a veteran, active duty service member, or part of a military family, this program just got even better. One of the most exciting updates for 2025 is that VA loans no longer have loan limits. That's right, there's no maximum amount you can borrow, as long as your lender approves it. This makes it much easier to buy in higher cost areas. Refinancing is also getting a boost. The VA has introduced new streamlined options to make refinancing faster and simpler. If you've been thinking about locking in a lower interest rate, this could be a great opportunity. And here's something new. VA borrowers can now apply for grants to make energy-efficient upgrades to their homes. Whether it's installing solar panels, upgrading your insulation, or adding smart home technology, these grants can help you save on energy bills while also being environmentally friendly. Finally, let's talk about USDA loans. If you've ever dreamed of living in a small town or rural area, you'll love these updates. The USDA has expanded the areas that qualify as rural for their loan program. So, even if you're near a city, you might now be eligible for a USDA loan. They've also raised the income limits for qualifying. This means more families can take advantage of zero down payment loans, even if their income is a bit higher than before. And here's a big one. The USDA has sped up the loan approval process. Thanks to new technology, buyers can get approved faster, which means fewer delays when you're ready to close on your new home. So, why do these updates matter? Well, they make it easier than ever to qualify for a home loan, whether you're a first-time buyer, a veteran, or someone looking for a peaceful place to live. These programs have always been about making homeownership possible, and the 2025 updates take that to the next level. If you've been thinking about buying a home or refinancing, now's the perfect time to explore these new options. And you don't have to do it alone. I'm here to help. For more information, be sure to connect with me. I'd love to answer your questions and help you figure out the best path forward. Thanks for listening, and I hope to talk with you soon.